So, hi Simran, how are you?
Hi sir, all good. How are you?
गुड टू। तो सिमरन, आपने 4-5 साल पहले सीएफ हमारे प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन किया, ठीक है? आप वाराणसी से हो और आप लखनऊ में स्टे कर रहे थे व्हेन यू ज्वाइन सीएफ हमारे। जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, सीएफ हमारे इज़ अ 100% जॉब गारंटीड प्रोग्राम जो कि स्टूडेंट्स को मल्टीपल जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के लिए रेडी करता है, लाइक स्टॉक मार्केट
Yes.
एनालिसिस, फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस एंड मार्केट रिसर्च एनालिसिस, वो भी एनालिस्ट की प्रोफाइल पे, जो कि आज की डेट में एक यंग ग्रेजुएट के लिए ड्रीम प्रोफाइल होती है, जो कि
True, true.
आपको मिला वाया सीएफ हमारे प्रोग्राम विद मैग्नम एडु कॉर्पोरेट्स एंड आप बहुत बेहतर जगह प्लेस्ड भी हुए, ठीक है?
Yes.
एंड
Yeah.
आज की डेट में यू आर एन इंस्पिरेशन फॉर द अपकमिंग स्टूडेंट्स की हाँ, एक यंग ग्रेजुएट कितनी आसानी से एक 4 मंथ 6 मंथ प्रोग्राम को ज्वाइन करके एक बेटर प्रोफाइल पे प्लेस्ड हो सकता है, ठीक है?
Yes.
तो अभी हमारा क्या चल रहा है कि हम देख रहे हैं कि हमारे जो भी एलुमनाई हैं, प्रीवियस
Yeah.
एलुमनाइज हैं, वो एक बहुत अच्छा एक्सपोनेंशियल ग्रोथ ले चुके हैं इस प्रोग्राम के थ्रू अपनी प्रोफाइल पे। तो हम जानना चाहते हैं कि सिमरन, आपने कहाँ से शुरुआत किया था, व्हाट वाज योर पैकेज एंड व्हाट वाज योर जॉब रोल, एंड करंटली आप किस लेवल पे पहुंच चुके हो, क्या पैकेज है आपका? आप नंबर में बताना चाहो तो नंबर में, परसेंटेज में बताना चाहो, इट्स टोटली अपॉन यू। सो
Yeah.
ताकि आप जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हम आपको देख रहे हैं, हमें सुन रहे हैं, उनको ये पता चले कि एनालिस्ट की क्या प्रोफाइल का कितनी इंपॉर्टेंस है एंड कितनी जल्दी इस प्रोफाइल पे आप जंप कर सकते हो, अपना ड्रीम एक लेवल आप पा सकते हो, अचीव कर सकते हो।
Okay, sure, sure. So basically, I joined Magnum in as you said, last 4 5 years back, and I got placed in a company named Alia Consulting,
Okay.
and there my role was of junior research associate. Basically, it's a role of analyst also. If you go into Big Fours, that's the joining role, analyst. So basically, the work profile was I was hoping it for the market research, but this was a very new profile for me, and it is very interesting. I'll say it is an investigating field. So my field is due diligence. So
Okay.
basically, whenever two companies get merger or acquisition, get acquired or bankruptcy, or there's a client's money is getting stuck with debt and all, then they approach us to do the due diligence. Basically, the profile is of finding about the company promoters, the company. We do the all the background checks and everything. This was my profile. The job profile of analyst is to prepare a report from scratch from all the secondary sources, whatever it is available. You have to prepare a report from scratch. Then this goes to your manager will review it, and then it will go to your client. The client will take decision basis on the report and the findings that you have been putting in the report. So it's a very research based job, desk based job, 9 to 5 job, and I started with a package of 3.5 LPA, and but now it's more than, like, if you I will not give you the number, but
No
yeah, in
problem.
percentage wise it is like 200% jump I got.
Very well,
So
very
it's
well.
been I've been in this industry for 5 years, and to be very honest, this is a very rewarding industry, due diligence.
So you are in
And
same organization?
no, I switched. So currently I'm working in EY, Ernst and Young.
Okay.
I have joined that. So it's been an year working with EY, and the exposure is very good. It's just that you have to work hard, and Prabjot ma'am is already there. She guided me a lot. She helped me a lot through the interview process and everything. Yeah, it was a very good job opportunity that I got. I feel very lucky, and I was very satisfied with the coaching center and the every mentor that I got through my journey. Yes.
Okay. And what is your current profile right now?
My currently my designation is associate consultant.
Okay, nice. So
Yeah.
everything is going good, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So अभी आप
Absolutely.
स्टूडेंट्स को, सिर्फ हमारे अपकमिंग स्टूडेंट्स को या जो ज्वाइनीज हैं, उनको आप कुछ कहना चाहोगे फॉर दिस प्रोग्राम?
See, I can understand their mind of like what are they thinking. BCom हो गया, अब क्या करना है, समझ नहीं आ रहा है. I was going through the same phase when I was just googling कि अब क्या करना है life में. I came across this platform and I met. The best thing for me was when I approached the coaching institute regarding the query. They screen shared the entire. I was not in Lucknow. I was residing in Banaras only. They screen shared the entire course. They explained me कि this is how we go about it. You will get the interview lineups will be there. You will get your chance. We will get you placed. So this was where my trust factor started developing for the institute. And when I met the ma'am, majorly Prabjot ma'am, I met her. My parents also met her, and then she guided us all again the entire process. You know, it's very difficult for parents to convince for a external coaching which you don't know if it will work or not.
True,
It's
true.
very hard thing to do it, and I know I had a struggle of that, so I can understand what people are going through it if they are planning to join as well. But yeah, I would say ki just have faith, work hard, and just follow the ma'am's steps, guidelines, whatever she's saying. Just do it and give you 100%. I think if you're giving you 100%, you will get praised, no matter how sharp or how dull you are. Doesn't matter. You just have to work hard. Yeah.
So thank you so much, Simran, for your golden time, and all the very best of luck for your future.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.